So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
JJLEE squad. You already know, man. Say it with me. It's time for another mind. But anyway, y'all, finally in the mail. I got, you already know, I did it on the Orange Demon. I'm going to do it on the Red Dragon. It's affordable. It's $160. See what we got here? We got the roar pedal, throttle, and splice controller. Shout out to Roar Pedal, man. Put me in the ad with the other video, but here you go. Already installed it. If y'all want to know how to install it, look at the Orange Demon one and the update. Shows you where it is and all that extra stuff. But I'm going to show y'all where I put it at. Easy install, pretty much. Then I get some driving clips later on. I just want to get a little unboxing. Shout out to Roar Pedal again. It's $160. No issues. I clicked it, started on, checked the modes, everything worked clearly. Then I have it in sport mode, well, no, race mode, of course, race mode 9, on in-track mode. So you already know me. But other than that, yeah, I had to get it. I wanted to get it. Adds a little more power. It's my little substitute for performance mod at the moment. Because, like I said, the next thing I will get, I'm confident, is the Diablo PCM, so I can start doing like headers and cam, get the tune and tune it myself from an email tune or something like that. But I got plans, so stay tuned. This is pretty much the little performance mod for my Scat for the White Dragon 392, so I can go ahead and hook that up, get immediate response from the pedal. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's fast, but you can tell like it's a little tiny delay, but I'm going to, it's on it, having no problems, no engine code. So I was thinking about Roar Pedal. I mean, no, freak, my bad. I was thinking about Pedal Commander. That's $300, but I was really thinking about it. Then I started, and I remember how many problems I had with it with my Challenger. Then I did more research, and people still have more problems. I saw, I think it's Big Brown Bear 392, something like that. He had a Roar Pedal on. I mean, god dang. He had a Pedal Commander on his 392 Charger 2020, and it kind of like, he said it wouldn't stop, and one time he had to avoid getting hit or something like that because it didn't stop, and his RPMs went up when he tried to stop, and he kept going into lit mode, and the throttle position sensor light kept popping on, and I was like, man, I'm not dealing with that, especially in my new car. And so I just like, man, let me go to some place that I respect, and I already got it, and I already dealt with them before. So Roar Pedal, shout out to you. Let me go ahead and show y'all pretty much where I put it. It's kind of low key, little stealth, little sleeper pedal thing. But all right, let me be real. Y'all can see the car still squeaky clean. Look at that paint though. Alright, as y'all can see, already zoomed in on it. Oh, look at the mats. Okay, back to it. Roar Pedal installed right here. There we go. Let me go and click it on twice. There you go. Of course, you're going to get those lights, but yeah. It's on FU3, which is race mode 3. So, that in there and keep it on track. Got a line going all the way down right here, so it's pretty good. It's the same process, easy. 2 connections, about 10 seconds. Got it hidden, looking good right there. Red. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Got a couple driving clips later on, but stay tuned. So like that real quickie. Bam.